Hello everyone, my name is Sung. This morning I'm gonna show you my garden again. Looking very peaceful. Very early still. I see no people around here. Can you hear the bird? That's why I love this time of the morning. Yeah. Soon I'm gonna change with the traffic. Yeah. But I love to come out very early in the morning and listen to the bird. Right? I'm watering my Mengave Mission to Mars. This one also got taller. It's lavender. This year I didn't do much about this area. I mean, usually when my aeoniums get leggy, I just cut them and reset them. As you can see, the stem are very tall and fat, right? But I just left them like this because it was so beautiful. So I guess all of them gonna go through the summer looking like this. Maybe I'll do something during the fall season. But for now, like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 Phrydimes here. Very leggy. And of course this one too. Yeah. But what can I do? Now it's too late to do anything. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up. Now I have some of these that I have to cut. The color and the shape fading. So these are done. This one too. I have another one here. I have so many also of this one, so I'm gonna have to take time and that had all this so I can get new beautiful flowers. Yeah. I noticed that my zinnia, some of the flowers are fading. Maybe this one is done. Look, I wanna cut them so I can get new beautiful ones, but still they are not that bad. But I see one more here. Looking a little better. You know what I noticed this year? My moonstone doing really good. Really, really good. You know, they are all together very compact. And all these sedums, they are doing good, but they are getting very leggy. And because the summer is almost here. This is the look of my garden from the porch. I love to have a cute chair or bench here to sit down and relax. But this is my front yard. Yeah, that's not possible with all this traffic. No way. Yeah. I love to have a beautiful, cute, small backyard. So this is it for today. Thank you for coming to my garden. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful